Hey there, builders and makers. Welcome to a world where imagination meets precision. Ever wonder how engineers design and build complex stuff, from airplanes to robots? It's a fascinating process that combines creativity with cutting-edge technology. It's like magic, right? Well, not quite. It's actually way cooler. It's a blend of art and science, where every detail matters. We're talking about the awesome world of digital twins and GD&T. These tools allow engineers to create virtual replicas of physical objects, enabling them to test and refine designs before they are built. These technologies are changing the game in engineering, making things better, faster, and stronger. They help in predicting potential issues and solving them before they become real problems. Trust me, this is the kind of stuff that gets me pumped. Seeing an idea come to life, pixel by pixel, is incredibly rewarding. Think of building a skyscraper. It's a monumental task that requires meticulous planning and execution. You wouldn't just start piling bricks, would you? Every step needs to be carefully thought out and executed. You'd need a detailed plan, right down to the last bolt. Every measurement, every angle, every component must be precise. That's where GD&T comes in. It's like the language engineers use to make sure every part fits perfectly. It's the blueprint for perfection, ensuring that everything works seamlessly together. Now, imagine having a virtual copy of that skyscraper, one that exists in the computer. That's a digital twin. It's like a mirror image, reflecting everything happening with the real thing. Let's say a sensor on the real skyscraper detects some wind stress. Instantly, that information is sent to its digital twin. Engineers can then analyze the data, figure out potential problems before they even happen, and make the building even safer and stronger. Pretty cool, huh? Remember those detailed plans I mentioned earlier? That's where GD&T shines. GD&T stands for Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerancing. It's a system of symbols and numbers that engineers use on blueprints to describe the exact shape, size, and position of every single part. Think of it like this. You're baking a cake. The recipe tells you to add a cup of flour. But what kind of cup? How full? GD&T takes the guesswork out of engineering, making sure every ingredient is exactly right. Section 4. Digital Twins and GD&T. A powerful duo. These two technologies are revolutionizing the engineering world. Now, let's put these two amazing technologies together. Imagine the possibilities when digital twins and GD&T work hand in hand. When you combine the power of digital twins with the precision of GD&T, you get something truly special. This combination allows for unparalleled accuracy and efficiency in the design and manufacturing process. Engineers can now simulate how a part will behave under real-world conditions, right down to the tiniest detail. This means they can predict and mitigate potential issues before they arise. This means fewer errors, less waste, and faster production times. The integration of these technologies streamlines the entire production process, making it more efficient and cost-effective. Plus, it helps engineers optimize designs for maximum performance and durability. They can tweak and refine their models to ensure the best possible outcomes. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you how things will work before you even build them. This foresight is invaluable in creating high-quality, reliable products. Section 5. The future is digital. Twins. So what does the future hold for digital twins and GD&T? The possibilities are endless. These technologies are not just buzzwords. They are revolutionizing the way we design, build, and interact with the world around us. As these technologies evolve, we can expect even more incredible applications in fields like aerospace, robotics, and healthcare. Imagine the advancements in jet engine design, where every component is optimized to perfection. Imagine a world where doctors use digital twins to plan surgeries with incredible precision, reducing risks and improving patient outcomes. The level of detail and accuracy is unprecedented, or where self-driving cars navigate flawlessly thanks to the power of GD&T, ensuring safety and efficiency on the roads. The integration of these technologies will make our daily commutes safer and more reliable. The future is bright, and it's being built one digital brick at a time. From smart cities to intelligent infrastructure, the impact of digital twins and GD&T is far-reaching. So there you have it, folks. The future is not just a distant dream, it's happening right now, and it's more exciting than ever. Digital twins and GD&T are changing the face of engineering. And the best part? We're only scratching the surface of what's possible. This is just the beginning. The journey ahead is filled with innovation and endless possibilities. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking developments.